Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure in a beautiful, beautiful Southern California. Today, it's going to be a special one. Behind me, we got the one and only Captain Man. Sexy beast it is, though, isn't it? Yeah. We got a special day planned. It's going to revolve around food, as you know. We're going to one of Southern California's fastest growing sandwich chains. Stick around. For those of you that have been a part of this channel for so many years, you can probably kind of guess where we're going. We're going to go reacquaint ourselves with Bobolo. It's been a bit. And have a surprise for him. A little gift. And when I say for him, it really means for you. I mean, you can come on back to old Bob, say hello, dig through his pockets, and see what he's got. Dude, a lot has changed over the years, huh? Like now, you got all these kids ripping around on e-bikes. These things are everywhere. It's like little motorcycle gangs, man. Little e-bike gangs. They go around harassing the neighborhood, ripping wheelies, getting in all kinds of mayhem. I'm not hating it either. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, when I'm in a car, it's a little annoying, these things buzzing around. But secretly, a little envious, man. I miss my youth, getting all reckless and shit. The thing is with these dudes, these bikes, thousands of dollars. I don't know, man. I don't think I ever had anything that expensive when I was in my early teens. You'll see like a pack of them and you look at them and it's like, holy shit, there's $100,000 in e-bikes. The cops out here are incredibly tired of them. And they're making examples of everyone they catch. They catch you doing some dumb shit on those things, man, they just take them away from you. I don't know if you ever get them back either. Imagine parents get involved and figure that out, but... And I wonder how many of these kids that rip around in these e-bikes graduate to an actual motorcycle. I would imagine quite a few. The other end of it is, you see these kids, man, they're ripping huge wheelies, doing combos and stuff. Some talent out there. And then they graduate into the bikes, the motorcycles, something fast, crazy, heavy. Man, these guys are going to be some really top riders, man. Looking forward to seeing that next generation come through. Speaking of motorcycles, today I am riding the 2008 GSX-R 750 Shitbox 2.0. I can't even call it a shitbox. It's not a shitbox anymore. It's a beautiful bike, thanks to Lap Motorsports. Let's go back to this e-bike stuff, man. Let me know, yay or nay, man. If you got a particular story you'd like to share about one, I'd like to hear it. Comment section below, let's go. Look at this guy coming around. Come on, man. I gotta get fucking smoked, dude. If I was going any faster, that dude crawling up the hill in the middle of the fucking road, dunzo, the both of us. Get an e-bike. Go faster. Let's pull a camera on. All right, all right. I see ya. I see ya. Welcome back. It's a fine and dandy looking machine you got there, Captain Man. All right, let's go see Bob and buy a soda. The old timers. What, Bob? You're busy at the moment. Let's pick out a soda. Look at this.
No way.
Still got it. I love the cucumber, but it's not really what I want. I want something new, something exotic. And I'm afraid their selection has dwindled. These have all kinds of crazy stuff. Which one? Cucumber. You're gonna do the cukes? Yeah. Not a bad choice, my friend. Not a bad choice. What's up, dude?
Bob's occupied right now. It's his buddies.
I'm gonna go see Bob, but he's busy. I'm gonna slide in there though. We're gonna see. I'm actually making a video today.
Am I on video?
You're on video.
Yeah. I think there's maybe, I don't know, some stuff.
Oh, really?
Well, just like every time there's always stuff in there.
That's crazy that people still come and see Bobby.
Yeah, there's nothing in here.
What up, Bob?
Check in the pockets.
No way.
Anything interesting? Money.
There's always money.
Yeah, there's always.
I think Bob has given me thousands of dollars at some point.
Oh, more money.
It's usually decals.
I think someone put that in the other day.
Really? Sometimes there's a note on the dollars. Not today.
What are we doing with this?
Well, we'll get to that in a minute.
No, we're going to put this in there, I think.
This has been in here for a while.
Decal?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's usually what's there.
Under the hat? Under the cock?
Usually put it in the pocket.
All right. Well, Captain Man, you bought sodas, but we're going to pay this ahead. All right? So we're going to leave this back, and this is going to buy you a soda. So you guys come in here, see old Babaloo. He's got a soda for you. And a key tag. Yeah. It's been a while since I've done this. All right, Bob. Good to see you, man. You haven't aged a bit. Pico General Store, man. It's good to see Bob. It's been a bit. He looks all right.
Healthy as ever.
Healthy as ever. That son of a bitch, he's been sitting there for a long time. If you guys are in the area, go check him out, man. If you pick up that key tag, just give me a tag, man. Let me know you got it. Tag me on Instagram or whatever. All right, let's get on the road a little bit, and I'll tell you where it is that we are going to today.
A bee sting me, dude. Yeah.
Oh, crazy. You're not allergic to bees, are you?
I don't know. I've never been stung by a bee.
Oh, you'll be all right. Hopefully he's not allergic, but we'll see. The place we're going to today, it's called Board Brews. You guys are into sandwiches and you live in Southern California, chances are you've come across this place a time or two, like I have. Become quite a staple, man. Established by Tom Powers, 1979. Oh, man, the original location is in Del Mar. Kind of turned it into a franchise. About 30 of them. I can think of 4 of them just in my general vicinity, and 1 in Arizona. Kind of weird, but yeah. The inside of it's all kind of skated out, man. There's surfboards and skateboards, and I think they play skate videos or surf videos. Anyway, it kind of reminds me of Oahu's on the inside. I want to race this thing so bad. Look at this thing. Nice. That thing's awesome. Hell yeah. Oh, hope he has brakes. That dude's living his life. Good for him, man. That's fun. That's fun. Motorcycles are fun. Whoa! Captain Man ran that one. He blows more reds than a Russian hooker. Someone's having a birthday party. What do we got here? Bogey. 3, 2, 1, go! It's gonna be a tight fit. There she is. Board and Brew. Specialty sandwiches. It was a journey, but we made it.
Alright, first bite. Try the chicken. Oh, that chicken was good.
All right, Captain Man. I mean, this was your suggestion, Board and Brews. Last week, you sent me a message, and you're like, I want to go here.
Yes.
How did you come across this place?
Well, I drove by multiple times, and I've seen a lot of people there. I'm like, well, if there's a lot of people.
Gotta be good.
Yeah.
The locals have spoken.
Yes, sir.
We went in there. We got 2 sandwiches. We got the Chicken Club, and we got the Baja beef, which was really kind of a spicy sandwich, to be honest. Well, what'd you think of that one?
Not my favorite.
What didn't you like about it?
I think I put too much sauce on it. It kind of messed up the experience of the first bite, but it wasn't too bad. I do like the taste of the steak itself.
Apparently, they're pretty famous for this sauce, so,
Yeah, well,
I mean,
not a big fan.
I did not drench mine in the sauce, and I thought it was okay. I wouldn't hate it if somebody brought one to me. All right, let's talk about that Chicken Club.
Yeah, that was good.
That was the one?
That was the one. Chicken was cooked to perfection. The tomatoes were nice and fresh. The lettuce was nice and fresh. The bread was nice and crispy, and it just tasted so.
Oh, you did have an overall complaint. Too much bread.
It was too much bread for me, at least.
Across the board.
Yeah. It was too much crunch.
But the Chicken Club you're into.
Yeah.
You'd get it again.
Hell yeah.
Chicken Club by far was my favorite also. What I loved most about it, they used an actual chicken breast. You know, it wasn't just deli slices of chicken.
Right, it was a nice.
Yeah, man. I would definitely come back for that again.
It was cooked to perfection.
Everything on the table came out to about $36. We got the 2 sandwiches, the 2 drinks. That was it. I mean, that is pricey. I'm full. I'm satisfied for sure. But, dang, prices these days are just crazy. It's just a different day.
Yeah.
Just a different
It's like
day.
a second job just to kind of afford food.
I'd be back. I'll come back.
Oh yeah.
And I'd probably order the Chicken Club again. Anyway, if you guys have been to Board and Brew, let us know what you got and what you thought about it. I'm curious. If there's something on the menu that we overlooked, let us know, man. Let us know. All right, Captain Man. I got to get to work. Yeah, I do that these days.
I'm gonna go have some fun.
Well, for the next 8.5 hours, I'll be doing the grind on this fine and beautiful Saturday instead of riding around with my friends, eating glorious food and drinking beer. Which is something else we didn't try while we were here.
What?
I heard the beer is pretty good.
Oh.
They got their own beer, it looked like.
Next time.
Next time, when I don't have to go to work.
Yeah.
You know what? Maybe you get this channel going again. Maybe I'll be able to quit my job. Go back to full-time YouTube.
Yeah.
But you guys watching this video, you guys are going to have to help me do that. That means I need you to like and share this video across your social media.
Subscribe.
Definitely subscribe.